every day, Golf Cart Garage gets calls and emails just like this one.
John's email says, "Hey Dave, really enjoyed your video on disconnecting the club car reverse buzzer. How do I disconnect the buzzer on my EZGO TXT?"
So it's time to ask Dave, right now, on GCGTV.
Hey, it's Dave and Nick hanging out in the Golf Cart Garage today, taking a quick look at disconnecting the annoying reverse buzzer on this EZGO TXT. We get this question a lot, so while we've got it all torn apart, we thought it would be a great time to have a look behind the cowl where this reverse buzzer is hiding. Okay, in a previous episode, I may have taken things a bit too far by annoying Nick here with the reverse buzzer on our club car for the sake of a little comedy. Very little. Hey Nick, want to hear the most annoying sound in the world? Alright, well, today we're moving on. Nick has forgiven me. Okay, maybe not, but he'll put up with me while we help show you how to quiet your EZGO when it's in reverse gear. As with our club car episode on the same topic, we'll have to issue a brief warning here. The reverse buzzer is an important feature to warn others. This is generally considered both unwise and unsafe, and we don't recommend it. So here we go. For any project, we make sure the key is out, park brake is on, and we switch from run to tow mode. After that, the first step, as you can see, is to tear the entire vehicle apart. Actually, most of these carts have a small faceplate in the dashboard with the key switch and forward reverse switch. If you're lucky, this is attached with bolts or screws. Ours was riveted in place, which can be removed by drilling out the rivets or using a body panel kit and some patience. Either way, the buzzer itself is located right here to the passenger side of the forward reverse switch. Removing one wire like this will stop Nick here from realizing any further vengeance. Now that your cart is significantly more dangerous in reverse gear, we'll remind you that you didn't hear this from us. Don't try this at home. Side effects may include people not knowing when you're backing up. We hope you've enjoyed this crash course tutorial that was clearly for entertainment purposes only, and we trust that you'll do the responsible thing and leave your irritating OEM safety features in their factory condition. But if you have any questions or need anything else, stop by golfcartgarage.com or give us a call at 1-800-401-2934 so we can help show you around the garage. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more episodes. Thanks for watching GCGTV.